Alright guys, we're gonna put on a screen protector for this Samsung watch. So we got this new style, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says you just put that on. So we take off the screen protector, set it on, and then just press it and then peel. So it should be perfect. I'm used to putting on screen protectors. Let's clean that screen, but this is supposed to make things easier. So we're gonna try this make it easy screen protector. Definitely advise any phone or any device, always put on a screen protector. So this is the sticky part. So the first part is off. Now we set it. So you kind of want to press down to let all the air out. Kind of like it when you don't have this, because you can kind of see where all the air is exactly. Just push out. This doesn't really. I took that piece off. This. Alright, so let's push all the air out. So that you don't have any bubbles. Stay pressing on the screen while pulling this. Wow. Smooth. Guys, I gotta admit, that was really smooth. This is a really nice screen protector. At one point, I actually thought I didn't put the screen protector on. That's why I took these pieces off. So yeah, this is thumbs up. So this was actually bought from, it's one of those SP cards that come like this. So yeah, definitely worth it. And this works on any of the Apple Watch 6 or Samsung Watch 6, 7. They actually make them for Apple Watches as well. Just easier to sit there, push down on it, take it off, and I even at one point thought that the screen protector wasn't on there. That's how smooth it came out. So yeah, this is perfect. Comes with two. So let's save this. It has a little, kind of like a little push down spatula. Didn't need to do that. Now, feel like people don't know what some of these are. So sometimes you get like a little dust, and this takes it off. It actually does work. Instructions guide to put on a screen protector. And wipes. You don't have to just use it for your phone. If you have glasses, you could use those to clean. The rest is garbage. Wet, smooth. All right, see you later.